How to add Google search bar in Android home screen. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is tap and hold the screen for a second. At the bottom, 4 different options will be visible to you: wallpaper and style, themes, widgets, and settings. Simply click on widgets. In here, scroll down and search for Chrome, and then click on it. Well, the widget of Google Chrome will be visible to you. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. As we're looking forward on adding Google search bar, drag and hold the search bar, and then place it on the home screen wherever you want to. You can also resize the search bar. You can place this anywhere on the screen. Now whenever it's necessary, simply tap on the search bar and then you can search for anything you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add Google search bar in Android home screen. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.